Imagine a librarian meticulously organizing every book in a massive library, ensuring each one is in its proper place and easy to find. That's similar to what Google does when it indexes your website. It's like having a digital librarian for the internet. Website indexing is Google's process of discovering, reading, and then storing your web pages in its vast search index, making them accessible to users. Think of this index like a massive digital library where every web page is a book waiting to be read. When someone searches on Google, it's like them searching the library catalog, looking for the most relevant information. The better indexed your website, the more likely it is to appear in relevant search results, increasing your visibility. This means more people find your website, leading to higher traffic and engagement. And more people finding your website is good for business, as it can lead to more customers and sales. It doesn't matter how amazing your content is if Google can't find it. Without proper indexing, your efforts go unnoticed. Indexing is the foundation of good SEO, ensuring that your content is discoverable and ranks well. And good SEO is crucial for attracting organic traffic, which is essential for sustainable growth, and growing your online presence, ultimately leading to long-term success and recognition in your industry. Sometimes things go wrong during indexing. It's like the librarian misplacing a book or putting it on the wrong shelf. These are called indexing errors. They prevent Google from properly understanding and storing your web pages. These errors can occur for various reasons. Maybe there's a technical issue on your website, or perhaps Google's bots encountered a temporary roadblock while trying to access your content. Whatever the reason, it's crucial to identify and fix these errors. Unresolved indexing issues can significantly impact your website's visibility. Google Search Console is a powerful tool that provides insights into how Google views your website. It helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. It also alerts you to potential indexing errors, which can prevent your site from appearing in search results. One common error is submitted URL marked noindex. This occurs when a page is intentionally or accidentally set to not be indexed by search engines. This means you've told Google not to index a page you actually want in the search results, which can be detrimental to your site's visibility. Another frequent issue is page with redirect. This error indicates that the URL you submitted redirects to another page. This happens when Google encounters too many redirects while trying to reach your page, causing confusion and indexing issues. Other common errors include submitted URL blocked by robots.txt, which means you're unintentionally blocking Google from accessing your page. This can happen if your robots.txt file is not configured correctly, leading to restricted access for search engines. Another critical error is server error 500, indicating that your server is having trouble responding to Google's requests. This can be due to server overload, misconfigurations, or other technical issues that need immediate attention. Each error tells a different story about what's preventing Google from indexing your page, and understanding these errors is crucial. Understanding these errors is the first step towards resolving them, ensuring your site is properly indexed and visible in search results. Section 4. Fixing indexing errors, a step-by-step guide. Fortunately, fixing most indexing errors is simpler than it sounds. With a bit of patience and the right approach, you can resolve these issues efficiently. Let's look at how to tackle the common ones. Submitted URL marked noindex. This is a frequent issue that can be easily fixed. Double-check your page's source code and remove any noindex tags. This ensures that search engines can properly index your page. You can also use the URL inspection tool in Google Search Console to request re-indexing. Page with redirect. Simplify your redirects to avoid confusion. Ensure they lead directly to the intended page without multiple hops. This helps maintain a smooth user experience and proper indexing. Submitted URL blocked by robots.txt- review your robots.txt file, which is crucial for guiding search engines. This file tells search engines which pages to crawl and which to ignore. Make sure it's not unintentionally blocking the problematic URL. Server error 500. These errors usually signal a problem with your server. It's important to address these promptly to avoid downtime. Contact your hosting provider to diagnose and resolve the issue. They can provide insights and solutions to get your site back on track. Remember, Google Search Console offers detailed documentation and troubleshooting steps for each error. This can be an invaluable resource. Don't hesitate to explore their resources. They are designed to help you navigate and resolve any issues you encounter. Section 5. The importance of a well-indexed website. Resolving indexing errors is like clearing the path for Google to find and understand your website. This leads to better visibility in search results, driving more organic traffic your way. A well-indexed website ranks higher, attracts more visitors, and ultimately performs better. Regularly monitoring Google Search Console and addressing indexing errors should be a key part of your website maintenance routine. It ensures Google sees the best version of your website, leading to a stronger online presence and increased success.